So with the points, the way I'm gonna do it, I need to have 3 points on the bottom and 3 points on the top, so I create my support geometry, splines, curves. And the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna click on the point, and if I were to do it with this point type by inserting coordinates, it would just be dependent on the axis system and all of the global coordinate system, but I want to constrain them to my planes. So if I want to move them, move the planes, the points are gonna move accordingly. So I'm gonna choose the point type on plane, and for the plane reference, I'm gonna choose my bottom one, and I'm just gonna insert the coordinates. (120) and 120. Preview. Okay, here's the first point. Here it is, and it's created in the geometrical set points. So if you double click on the button, it's gonna, after you click OK, it's gonna let you do it over and over again, so you don't have to choose it all the time. So I'm just gonna double click and create more points. Plane 1 minus 210 minus 210. Okay, I created the second one. Here it is. Again, I choose this plane 1. I'm giving 300 and 0. Okay, so now I created all of my bottom points, so 3 points. So now I need to go and create my 3 top points. So I choose my top plane as a reference, and I'm gonna create those 80 and 80. Okay, here it is. Again, choose plane 2 minus 140 minus 140. Okay, and the third one, (200 and 0). Okay, so I have all of my points created that I needed, so I can hit cancel. Okay, I have my points for my support splines. It's all good. Now I need another geometrical set for my splines. So I hit geometrical set, I go to properties, I rename it to splines, hit OK. Now this one is active. If you want to change your active geometrical set, so the geometry instead of this one, for example, goes to this one, you can just right click on the one that you need and hit define and work object. So now this one is active because it's underlined, so all of the geometry that it will be created will go here, but I need my splines, so I hit the spline button and I choose my points that is gonna go through. Choose point 1 on the bottom and point 6 on the top. I hit OK. So basically I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm gonna choose point 2 and point 4. Hit OK. Again, spline point 3, point 5. So the way I did it, so I can give it a little bit of twist, I just did it this way, so it kind of twists the geometry. Also, what you can do with these splines, if I select the first one, I can give it some curvature, since it's right now just straight line. I can give it a curvature by giving the tangent direction. So I select my point 1, I hit this button, and the tangent direction at this point will be axis Z. So I click on Z. So if you can see now it's curving, and I hit point 6 and I do the same thing. I select axis Z, so now it curves. You can also change the degree of it and the tensions. So I hit OK. Now I need to modify the spline 2 as well. I'll do the same thing. I select the point 2, hit tangent direction, and I hit Z. Now it curves. I hit point 4 and I select Z again. Okay. Hit OK. So now two of my splines have curvature and one of them doesn't.